Hi, this is Mark Vila.
And Hannah here at ColDesi.
And we're here to share with you a fun project that we're working on using heat transfer vinyl to make some polo shirts just like this. These are for Grace family cleaning, and this is something that they wanted for essentially their uniform that they can wear around while they're cleaning things. So let's tell you a little bit about what we're doing. Why don't we start with the shirt?
Yeah, so we're using our Port Authority Core Classic Polo. We're going to be using our Triton Vinyl with this, and then we're also going to use our Fusion Heat Press to finish it all off.
And we started off with the logo, right? That's the idea, then the logo. And our customer provided us a logo that was really poor quality. It looked like it was probably even made in Microsoft Word, which is going to be typical. If you own a business now or you're looking to do it, you know what I'm talking about. And what we did was we took that logo, we sent it over to ColDesi-graphics.com, which is our graphics service. We let them know that we needed it to be cut ready so we could get it right from the computer, send it right over to the cutter. And we let them know that we were cutting it and we needed to alter the logo a little bit so it would actually work really well to go with heat transfer vinyl versus a digital print or something like that. And we've got that back and we're ready to start cutting it. So we just need to prepare a couple other things. We've got, of course, Hannah mentioned our Triton Vinyl, and we picked out the red that was closest to the red in their logo or what they wanted, and they're really happy with that. And we also grabbed a Print Perfect pad, and this is going to help us raise the spot up for the left chest on our heat press. It's going to go ahead and save the buttons from getting damaged or us from having to fiddle around and moving it. And then once we've got this in place, we'll know that our logo is going on the same spot every time as well. So, we ready to go?
Yeah, let's start cutting and weeding.
Now that we have told you a little bit about how we're going to do this project, I want to talk to you about how much money you can put in your pocket with an order like this. Let's start with the price of the Triton Vinyl. Based on a price of $33.95 for a 15-yard roll, we estimated that the front and the back of this shirt would cost only about $1 in vinyl. The cost to have this graphic cleaned up and vectorized by ColDesi-graphics.com was $18. The weeding process for these shirts took a couple hours, but this is because it was a more intricate design. Now let's move on to the shirt cost. For a dozen of our Core Classic Polos, you are looking at about $9 per shirt for cost. And labor on the heat press is very low because heat transfer vinyl only needs 10 seconds a piece. So even when you're taking your time, this is not going to take you more than 15 to 30 minutes. Alright, so let's talk about the money you could make on an order like this. Your total cost for each customized shirt is around $10. Now, I called a couple of vinyl shops and they quoted an average of $28 per shirt for this same order. You are looking at being able to put $18 per shirt or $216 total dollars in your pocket for just a few hours of work. Think of this being your side hustle. Think of what projects like this could make you in the next couple of years. Dreams of being your own boss can be a reality with the cut and press system. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit colemanandcompany.com and check out our business kits.